So I have the Fitbit Sense 2, and in today's tech tip, I'll be showing you how to remove and also how to attach the wristbands in case you want to change them, or just in case you want to remove them for one reason or the other. All right. So just flip your Fitbit around, and what you want to do is on every strap, there's this little connector. Okay. So this is with the watch upside down. So what you want to do is just put your fingernail in there and push this little latch towards the strap. Okay, so just push it like this. Once it pushes towards the strap, you can now simply just pull it out. Simple as that. And you can do the same for the other strap. Simply just turn it around, find the latch, and then push it towards the strap and then pull out the strap. It's as simple as that. That's basically how to remove the straps. Now, if you have another set of straps, you can put them on the watch, but I'll show you how to do it with these same straps. So again, hold your watch upside down and then align the strap with this little hole like that. Basically what you're doing is putting it there, and once it's aligned, simply just push it into the watch, okay, until you hear it click like that, and that's done. And then the other side, do the same thing. Just align it like that, push it in until you hear it you hear that little sound, and that means the strap has clipped in properly. And it's as simple as that. That's how to remove, how to attach, or how to change the straps or the wristbands of your Fitbit Sense 2. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.